Hi and welcome. I am here today with Oppo Find X2 Pro and I'll be showing you how to get an iOS control center on this phone. So as always, we have to go to the Google Play Store and from there look for Control Center iOS 14. Install the application. Okay, now open it. Wait for a short while for it to load. Tap on Control Center. Now let's go back, swipe to the left, and then tap on this button in the bottom right corner. Okay, now it should be working. It's hard to spot. I'll try to make it easier to spot. Wait, let's go to size, increase the size, and let's change the color to, I don't know, to the red. Okay, now it's still hard to spot, but here, as you can see, is a small red line, and we have to swipe from its position to the left to open up the, we have to give another permission. Allow system setting modification. Okay, now we should be golden to open the control center. Let's try it. It works. As you can see, we get this iOS control center on our Oppo Find X2 Pro. And that's truly everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.